The legal team for convicted Tree of Life killer Robert Bowers is asking for a new sentencing hearing. It's now been more than 2 years since a federal jury sentenced him to death. Channel 11's Gabriella DeLuca explains the argument behind this latest filing.
The defense team believes that Robert Bowers should be facing a life in prison sentence rather than the death penalty. They laid out their argument in an appeal that is almost 500 pages long. It's been more than 2 years since a federal jury sentenced Robert Bowers to death for killing 11 people at Tree of Life Synagogue. Now his defense team is asking the Third Circuit Court of Appeals for a new sentencing hearing. Legal expert Phil DeLucente spoke to Channel 11 today and weighed in with his take on the appeal.
And I think this is an attempt by that defense team to really just exhaust any and all legal avenues to save this man's life.
The brief lists more than a dozen reasons why the defense team believes a new sentencing hearing is fair for Bowers. One of those reasons include the fact that he had to wear shackles around his legs during the trial, which his attorneys claim may have made the jury view him as dangerous and created a prejudice. According to DeLucente, the federal judge approved that for the trial.
They can decide if the marshals did feel that they were in fear of Mr. Bowers, that those shackles are necessary. Make no mistake, federal judges have actually bound people, gags around their mouth for hearings and so on and so forth.
The appeal lists several other reasons for their request, including the lack of diversity of the jury.
Defense lawyers are meticulously spending a tremendous amount of time going through each and every possibility to attempt to save this man's life. They are doing their due diligence. They're representing him with zeal.
The Jewish Federation of Greater Pittsburgh is responding to the latest filing and told us the jury verdict in sentencing reflected the gravity of this horrific crime, and we believe justice was served. If the court denies the appeal, DeLucente said that the defense team could take this case to the U.S. Supreme Court. Reporting in Pittsburgh, Gabriella DeLuca, Channel 11 News.